I close my eyes, I can't escape all your lies.
Everything you said I would believe in. I trusted you when everybody said that you were cheating. I remember sobbing in my car. You were there to hold me when my family life was hard. I'm thankful that you were there for me. I felt a lot of pressure, but your love was therapy. I don't even blame you anymore. The times we shared our memories I treasure to my core. I remember waking up with you, reading on your porch, sipping on some cold brew. We would both get lost in our pages. Then I would stare at you and hope to catch one of your gazes. You took me to an oak tree in a meadow. It had a sign that said you couldn't climb, we didn't care. We climbed to the highest point we could. I'm pretty sure there's still some old initials if you look.
I get a feeling inside, we're gonna make it this time. But when I close my eyes, I can't escape all your lies.
And even to this day I don't believe it, even though I know I'd rather play than I'm naive. You haven't felt this pain, I'm sure you will. It gets stuck in your throat like a handful of some pills. I saw you just the other day. You were with a guy, so I turned around and went the other way. I heard you're getting married, congrats to you. I mean it, sincerely, good luck to you too.
I get a feeling inside, we're gonna make it